Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs. Features also include traction control, navigation system, heated seats, heated mirrors. Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, electronic stability control, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, HD radio, satellite radio, ventilated front seats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.